I just spent 8 incredible days in Guatemala with 6 amazing women from the Hopscotch the Globe community. It was amazing, and this series is reliving it all because we got up to some really adventurous things as well as giving back to the local communities. That is what our Hopscotch the Globe group trips are all about. A little bit of adventure, local culture, and giving back. For this Guatemala trip, we teamed up with Vivid Roots, who helped us put everything together. And this is day 1 through 3. Enjoy. Wait. Before we head into day 1, I have to introduce you to the whole gang, right? So let's do that. It's tradition. I'm finally in Guatemala. The girls all arrived before me, and we are traveling in style right now in a tuk-tuk to... You don't know what's about to happen, right? Yeah. You do or you don't know?
I think I do.
Okay. But I think most of the girls do not know. It's kind of a secret, unless you've seen the video series from last year. It's gonna be a good night. Good first night together. Best butt massage ever! Do you know what we're doing? No pressure, you're on camera. I heard a cooking class. Who told you?
Dude, everybody knows. Alright, so we are at a cooking class and we are making, what are we making, everyone? We're making food, so.
I hear something about tostadas, and I think a really good dessert with
bananas,
plantains, mature plantains, and beans,
mature
and chocolate, and cinnamon, and sugar. And
something about a turkey. Someone listened.
Something about a turkey or saying.
Turkey. Chocolate and turkey and guac. There we go.
Excellent. Diego, you're doing a great job over there. You're a great supervisor.
We're making rellenitos.
This little tradition and this kind of dinner, and that we're just sharing something we're grateful for, and or whatever else you guys want to say. And Quetzalteca thing, that's like the Guatemalan alcoholic drink.
Yes,
I love it.
She whips that out. Like she's like, whoop, got it. I just carry this around in my
I'll pass
pocket.
it around while you say your words. So yeah, cheers to all of you, really.
Cheers!
Salud, salud.
I am grateful for the opportunities I've been given. Just by being born where I was born, I feel like I have so many more chances in life, and I just try to feel lucky and grateful for that every single day.
Hey, I am grateful because this is my first out-of-country trip by myself.
Nice.
And I was really nervous because I didn't know anyone, but you guys are all awesome, and I'm so excited for the rest of the trip.
So I don't normally do group trips with people, and so I was a little worried coming into this, but like from the moment I've met all of you guys have been so warm and welcoming, and it's just been like amazing to just meet a lot of other really brave women because you all kick ass. So I'm grateful for that. And
I'm so grateful that all of you guys are here, and just that this little blog that I started years ago was able to bring some amazing people together and get to actually like meet you in person and not just like comments, and spend the week with you. And getting to be part of first experiences and helping people. This trip is like a combination of adventure and giving back, and I think that's really important when it comes to travel, is the giving back part as well. So I'm looking forward to just getting to know all you guys and having a really good time. It's going to be really great. I'm very excited.
Well, you've already all stolen the good stuff to stay. No, I'm really overwhelmed with gratitude for, well, the regular every breath of life. Health is really important. But for me on this trip, I'm really thankful to be just here with you guys, meeting new people, and coming back to a country that I love so much, and getting to see it in a new light with new people, in taking a different seat. And of course, like Diego said, I'm really looking forward to being able to cause an impact to some of the most wonderful, beautiful people in the world, and to share that with all you guys. And a special shout out to be able to spend some quality time with one of my best friends that we got a quick dinner here and there. So I'm really grateful for all of that. My husband's not here either.
Find out.
Exactly, your husband is awesome.
Good morning. So we stayed out a little late last night, drank a little bit, and now we're hiking a volcano. Yeah, that's right. How's everyone feeling? We've got a horse behind us. Maybe if someone needs an extra lift. We're starting here. We're going all the way up to here, and then we're coming.
On the front, okay?
Okay.
Here?
Yeah. And then we're going all the way down. So an hour and a half. Yeah.
Take and little more in the front and the shortcuts down, okay?
Okay.
It's sleeper. No problema?
No problem.
It's steeper,
Yeah.
so we can slide down on our butts.
I feel like you're a trickster and you're gonna mess with us. I can already feel the vibe. This hike is about an hour and a half up the volcano and an hour and a half down. We got some Guatemalan taxis behind us in case we need them. And yeah, right now it's a little steep. It's gonna get straight grounds, flat grounds I should say, then steep again. This is good, because I'm definitely not in shape these days. Gotta get back into shape. And this volcano is an active volcano, and it's called Pacaya. Last time I was in Guatemala, I climbed Fuego. If you haven't seen that video, I'll link it right now. We almost died. And I said, I'm not going to climb another volcano. Here I am. Never say never. Nice.
Yeah.
Ready to ride a horse up a volcano?
Yeah.
This is your first time doing that, right?
Yeah.
It's gonna be a trip of a lot of firsts.
Yes, tons of firsts.
Hey, buddy. Right now we're walking along on top of volcanic ash and the lava that's been hardened. This is from 2006 explosion. And the sand, the ash, is from the 2010 explosion. But so crazy. You never really know when it's gonna happen, but no way. Saying sacrifice a Canadian, no way.
Good job.
You did it! That's awesome! Yeah.
Proud of you.
Look at this view! How was your Guatemalan taxi?
It was wonderful. I was telling Josie that I'm normally focused on myself during a hike, but today I got to look at all the plants and touch the flowers and see the buggies, and it was wonderful.
We arrived, finally. About a 2-hour journey it took to get up here, and that's Pacaya Volcano. In the back, we've already seen some lava spewing down it, which is super beautiful, super cool to witness. And this is the first experience like this for many of the people here, which is really nice to be part of as well. And here, we're about to roast some marshmallows. See in the distance there, that is Volcán de Agua, and is an extinct volcano, so it's not active, it's not dormant, it's just
Safe. Yeah, safe and beautiful. This one, on the other hand, spewing lava right now. Oh wow, there it comes. Wow, look at that. Just roasting some marshmallows on a active volcano. I think that's... My butt is definitely hot. Look at that. I'm sure if I left it in longer, it would be nice and toasty, but it's nice. It's crisp. It's crisp. Oh my god, that is so good. Crispy on the outside, creamy and mushy and droopy in the droopy. I don't know. Gooey in the middle. That's good.
In part 2 of this series, we're going to be heading to the local community that we're going to be helping out and giving back to. We're going to be doing some restoration, some painting at a local school that definitely needs the work. We're going to also be visiting one of my favorite places I've ever been to in the world, because there are mangoes everywhere at this place. And when I mean everywhere, I mean everywhere. When I say everywhere, I mean everywhere. Everywhere! Mangoes! Just everywhere! Oh my god. Oh my god, if you love mangoes, you gotta tune in. See you in part 2. Wait, one more thing. I keep forgetting things. If you are interested in traveling with CNI, subscribe to our Hopscotch the Globe newsletter. It's the best way to stay up to date with new announcements, and we will be coming up with some new trip announcements very shortly. So, subscribe to that. I'll put a link in the description box below. This time, like, I'll see you next time for sure. Like, I'm not gonna come back and add to this video. Okay, bye. Just kidding, I'm back again. Oh my god. Oh my god. We're going to Costa Rica next. You heard it here first. Okay, bye.